gonna go to this cafe called Onezo Tani Boba. To Shosho, now we're going to Bobo. Sunny's Punjabi, so I keep teaching him Bhojpuri stuff like Kaise hua, kaise. Ye wala song, he's going to sing it out for you in Bhojpuri.
Bahil, kaise bahil, kaise bahil, kaise bahil.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to One Stop Page. First of all, thank you so much for showing immense love on all our videos. Thank you so much for that. And today is another day. I am bit tired, bit sleepless, but recreational activities are required time to time just to keep your mental health in place. So today I have decided, because it's a day off and even Sunny is off today, so that happens once in a blue moon. So we have decided to go out and have some fun, and of course you're gonna stay tuned to us and see what's gonna happen. So let's go.
2 very boring minutes later.
The thing is that I had promised Sunny that this time I will make a plan, like whenever we are going out, but the truth is I have not made a plan. So another Mahayuddh is going to happen. So let's see. He's already out, he's waiting for me, so I'm just gonna catch up with him. Hello, hello. Amunda kukkade kamal da. Baby, what's up? दरवाजा तो खोलोगे नहीं मेरे लिए? देखो स्पोर्ट्स मॉडल की हालत देख लो.
अरे बेबी कितनी अच्छी लग रही हो. तुम्हारे लिए एक गाना याद आया. तू हुस्न परी तू जाने जिगर. तू
You're fine when you're not really fine.
सबसे हंसी और सबसे जवान.
सोनर साबुन निर्मा.
तुम निर्मा लग रही हो. निर्मा से कपड़े. वाह वाह क्या शाइन कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, मेरा सफेदी में वो मेरे चेहरे पे निर्मा का ग्लो है एक्चुअली.
वाह वाह वाह. चलो ग्लो चलते हैं फिर.
Do you want to know what's the plan?
नहीं.
Because I've not made one.
I have not made it too. Let's make some.
Let's go with the flow. So finally, with our skeptical mind, we have decided a place, because we have been tired and we are looking for some activities to refresh our mind. तो Sunny की favorite चीज होने वाली है आज. Sunny is very good when it comes to playing games, solving puzzle, and somebody is blushing. तो हम लोग डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि we gonna go to this cafe called Onezo Tani Boba, which is very famous for a bubble tea.
Tabi boba.
Tabi Boba. So we were going to Shosho, now we're going to Bobo.
Today is bobo.
Today is Bobo.
Tabi bobo.
Tabi Boba. No, Tabi Boba. So it's a
Tabi.
boba drink. Basically, it's famous for a boba drink, where they are famous for serving bubble teas and some extra snacks. But what is the most interesting part, Sunny? That they have a gaming freaking zone.
और जिसमें तुम हारने वाली हो.
Actually, ये सच है. Maybe this is the same hotel where our parents have stayed when they had come. Strato. So many memories.
और ये मिला सिग्नल.
So suddenly Sunny remembered that he had to put petrol, so we just got stuck at petrol station as usual, unplanned man. Acha, so something interesting I'm going to tell you. So yesterday we were out for some work and we were driving. So he played this Punjabi song Mitti Ki Khushboo. So I'm like, ठीक है, normal song है, but so he's like, how come you don't know this song? How come you've not heard this song? I'm like, yeah, I've not seen the video, and how is it even compatible when this song is being dedicated to a girl? ठीक है? So he's like, that why. Instead of saying that's why, he's like, that why. Because I've not seen the video. That why. We laughed our ass off. इसकी इज्जत का जो फालूदा किया ना मैंने कल. Guys, actually na Sunny's Punjabi, so I keep teaching him Bhojpuri stuff, like, you know, kaho, kaisan ba.
हंस दिल रिंकिया के पापा ही.
ठीक है, तो दिस सॉन्ग फ्रॉम कबीर सिंह, कैसे हुआ कैसे ये वाला सॉन्ग ही इज गोइंग टू सिंग इट आउट फॉर यू इन भोजपुरी. आई हैव टॉट हिम एक्चुअली. बेबी कम ऑन.
कैसे बहिल कैसे बहिल कैसे बहिल कैसे बहिल.
भोजपुरी ऑडियंस इस गाना को मैड.
क्या यार, पंजाबी लड़के को तुमने भोजपुरी
अच्छा
बना-
तुमने वो मनोज बाजपेयी का वाला गाना सुना? अरे मुंबई में काबा काबा काबा.
काबा छोड़ो, सामने आ गया वो क्या था वो.
क्या?
हाँ,
हाँ ताबी बोबो.
ताबी बोबो आ गया, ताबी बोबो.
एक तो इतनी मेहनत से हमें पार्किंग मिली है और ऊपर से पीछे से कोई और आके लगाने वाला था. वी वेटेड फॉर लाइक 10 minutes एंड देन somebody else wanted to push his car in. So मेरे अंदर का गुंडा बाहर आ गया. मैं बाहर आके मैंने कहा क्या हो रहा है भाई, क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन फाइनली पार्क द कार.
मैडम ने उसको जाके बस जो किया ना,
भूल गया. गैंग ऑफ वासेपुर बाहर आ गया मेरा.
अंदर का भोजपुरी वाला जो आदमी है वो बाहर आ गया.
Actually the mask which I am wearing you should wear and the mask you are wearing I should wear.
हर चीज कपड़े मैचिंग के लिए होते, ये मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ.
But then actually see na. Finally baby, we are here. And Sunny, let's go. Tabi Bobo. So guys, finally we have decided that we're going to have a lychee green tea with some crystal boba. And the second thing we're going to have is lychee lemon spring tea for Sunny.
बोबा क्या है?
Boba is bubbles. So we have got a separate selection to add toppings. So we are going to do that same as well. I think crystal boba is the best.
क्रिस्टल बोबा.
Let's do that.
Twelve seconds later.
Susu की तलाश. My God. Susu ना? Susu. I know. Go. Blah. You are a blah. Utilizing this time. See, on the male washroom, it's written blah. Okay? And when you go to the female washroom, it's written blah, 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 blah. So like judgmental, these people. Oh, you're watching me. Your favorite paradise is right behind me. You are blah, 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 blah. Thank you so much. So, our tea is here. Okay. Okay, sorry, it was ulta. So, we're just gonna enjoy this. In order to have this boba, which is got stuck in the glass, we decided to tear this damn lamination off. And baby, क्या?
बबल्स आ रहे हैं, ये देखो.
Aka. Baba.
यार ये बबल वबल निकल नहीं रहा, तो मैं इसको उखाड़ दूंगा.
सनी देओल नहीं हो तुम कि हर चीज उखाड़ दोगी हैंडपंप की तरह. सनी हो, सनी
देखा
देओल ना
मत
हो.
इजी, इतना इजी है.
So guys, overall our experience was pretty good. If you are looking for a good bubble tea, this is a cafe to visit. And Sunny will give you the location. So, our plan is still on. Maybe we did not get the gaming zone here. So, we're gonna go to...
कतार bowling center.
Yay! And there, and you know what is the ironic part?
क्या?
2 years ago when we went there, I was wearing the same shirt. So today also I'm wearing the same shirt.
हाँ, वो 2 साल तक तुमने इसको रखी हुई अलमारी में और एक बार भी नहीं डाली है. और आज
नहीं.
निकाली.
I used it for my Wednesday binges. Yes, I did use it. Anyway, Sunny, please tell us them the location. What the location is?
तो इसकी लोकेशन है जो लासीगल होटल है उसके पीछे है इसकी लोकेशन, और बिन महमूद स्ट्रीट, जैसे बता रहा हूँ, बिन महमूद स्ट्रीट लासीगल होटल के पीछे. और बबल टी थम्स अप.
Qatar Bowling Center and I'm super excited. Let's go.
रेडी हो हारने के लिए?
मैं आज जीत के दिखाऊंगी, तुम देख लेना।
हाँ नीचे से जीतना। पीछे से नंबर ज्यादा आएंगे तुम्हारे, टेंशन ना लो। कतार बॉलिंग सेंटर, बॉलिंग टाइम।
Here we are guys, and our name has already been displayed on the screen. You can see Sunny and Ghazal. So due to social distancing, they are just giving us one lane, one person. And also, what have we got, Sunny? Our own shoes. Actually, the socks was given to me, but he has stolen it. Oh no, it's two. Oh, okay. I thought you stole mine. But anyways, let's get dressed up. मैं इतनी एक्साइट हो रही हूँ, और जब हारूंगी तो मेरी शक्ल देखने वाली होगी, लाइक लिटरली आई एम अ वेरी बैड लूजर, राइट सनी?
स्ट्रेस में आ गया हूँ मैं, अगर मैंने अब अच्छा नहीं खेला ना तो मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी।
मेरे तो लास्ट टाइम मार्क्स माइनस में थे, आई रिमेम्बर। मेरी बॉल रहती ही नहीं है लेन में, आई डोंट नो, बट चलो देखते हैं। We are all set to play and the first turn is Sunny. मेरा स्कोर सनी से ज्यादा है। I played so well, but unfortunately we did not record. Look at, have a look. 9-7. See, come on, baby, go. Yes, yes. अच्छा हुआ हमें देखने के लिए कोई ऑडियंस नहीं है, वरना इतनी गंदी वाली बेइज्जती होती ना। Back into action.
सारे गिरा दूं, एक ही
सारे।
बारी में।
We will show you the scoreboard later. So we are just going to play round 2. The score has disappeared, but obviously I'm a sour loser and I lost. So I had like 49 points and he had 85 points. So I can do better. Maybe next time, in the next vlog, maybe, you never know. So guys, that's it for today's video and I hope you did enjoy the day out with us. पूरी रात हो चुकी है और हमें करना है बहुत सारा काम अभी जाके। So यहाँ तक वीडियो देखी है, so don't forget to hit that like, comment, share and subscribe button. We are at
1_stop_page.
Ciao, hasta la vista. See you in the next video.
Bye.